Down a little bit, honey. Good morning. Sweet. If I had a person in this world that loved me as much as this dog does, I'm telling you, I'd be set for life. Anyway, I'm just kidding. I have people that love me. I know I do. And he's so dog. He's so sweet. Anyway, listen, guys. I just want to come on this morning, and I want to say something. So I couldn't sleep last night, so I started posting videos that I had taken during this septic tank installation. And that pretty girl. And a lot of, and then I also had to clarify about something that had been said about I was fined $3,000 because it was on the paper. I clarified those things, and I wanted to. It's not about. Okay, you're good. Thanks. It's not about. People were on there basically kind of like being like, "You should do this. You should ignore them." People gave to that GoFundMe in good faith that we were going to do what we said we were going to do. And I don't want anybody thinking for 1 second that money went to pay a fine or that money went for anything else but repairing and installing a septic system. And that's what it did. That's why I'm posting the videos. That's why I'm posting the thing about the pipe. The 3,000 thing on the paper is in regards to the type of corrugated pipe that was used for the leach field. Has nothing to do with a fine. It doesn't even say anything about a fine. It says lateral line or something, whatever, and then 3,000. That's the type of pipe that was used. I mean, I need to know what kind of Kool-Aid that some of these people are drinking that is making them they literally, if certain people on these other sites say something, like on these hater groups, if they say something over there, it becomes the gospel truth reality. Somebody said that I had to pay a $3,000 fine, and that was on that paper, and blah, 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 blah. So, not the truth. And anybody with any kind of good sense could have looked at what was already shown and deduced to that for themselves. But instead, they start all repeating it and telling it like it's the for real truth. Please, people, do yourselves a favor. Think for yourselves. Don't just fall down the rabbit hole with some crazy person. Listen, me and Manon are going to the pool today, and we're going to have a good time. And so there probably won't be any cooking content today, but there probably will be this evening. I've got I'm going to pack me up some diabetic friendly snacks and take with me. Now this evening I'm going to put some chicken in the crock pot before I go. But this evening when I get back home, I'm going to be making it. Listen, Ellie, now seriously, I'm going to be making some chicken salad. And get busy cleaning up. I don't know why it bothers people so bad. You know, like, it's not your yard. It'll get there eventually. Like, I don't know. Yeah, Peggy, so now we have to pay for a plumbing permit, which isn't very much, I don't think. And, matter of fact, I believe, please stop. Green olives. Ooh, I love green olives. So, anyway, long story short, it's not about explaining myself. It's not about that. It's making sure that the people that gave to that GoFundMe don't get caught up in the drama, this mess. So now we just got to get a plumbing permit, and then we have to buy all the stuff and everything. So it might be a couple weeks, but it's there. It's ready to go. Good morning, Dina from California. You're up early, all the way out there. Alright, so we're going to the pool. I'm going to try to do some walking in the pool. That's healthy. And I will see you guys later this afternoon. Right? Right. See y'all later. Bye.